On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype, we make it take flight.
Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers, what one. A blessed and wonderful Friday morning to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now my peeps, I don't know how we do it over on this side each and every morning. We have to give thanks and praise to the Most High Creator for the preservation of life, because life is indeed the greatest. So in the morning, my peeps, I have a few stories to share with you, the regular members of Chan Public and also members of the diaspora. So please like the video, share the video, watch the entire vlog so you can get a full understanding and a better appreciation of everything we are going in Jamaica. But before we get into this morning's set of stories, as we are at the last Friday of 2024, I just want to give a big shout out to all of those persons out there who have reached out to On The Spot News Media throughout the year of 2024 and just poured into him and keeping him encouraged and prayed up. Blessings to you all. I just want to know, say, trust me, love and respect for all that you have poured into me, whilst I continue to pour into our dearly beloved island home, Jamaica. Yeah, man. So we're going to kick off this morning here with a song. And then we're going to get on into this morning's set of story. Sometimes I get these songs and I keep them, and sometimes the singer, the DJ, the songwriter of the music probably feels On The Spot News Media and I want to play it, but I always keep the songs and play it at the right time for the right moment and for the right vlog. And to me, this morning, this song is definitely befitting. The song is titled Dear Mama, which definitely many of our Jamaican youths presently behind bars are echoing the same sentiments that the song is saying. The song was penned by an artist known as Diamond Mind, D-Y-M-A-N, Mind. And it was also done by the said artist. Now listen to these words, and then of course we'll move on right into this morning's story. Listen.
On The Spot Media, it's all about the youths of the nation, the future generation. Like I say, if we can change them path in life, put them in a more positive direction, so them not feel right and type of letter. Dear mama, I know me miss you, dear mama. Look how hard you did try as I shed these lonely tears. Can't fight these lonely tears. Dear mama, can't wait for hug your mama. On the spot, me that they try as I shed these lonely tears. Can't fight these lonely tears. Me there in the place where you want me about. Think me the doll have it figured out. Now me stuck in a 6x6 with a bucket for me. Me nah lie, it hard. Think me have to turn this place now me yard. It's really now. Me find comfort in your words, mama. Me wish me to listen to your words. On the spot with the clean money, never in a doubt. Me and me chopper friend, them got all the clout. I remember when you say, son, that's not the route. No, the water told me in my mouth. Dear mama, I know me miss you, dear mama. Look how hard you did try as I shed these lonely tears. Can't fight these lonely tears. Dear mama, can't wait for hug your mama. In my heart, me I cry as I shed these lonely tears. Can't fight these lonely tears. On the spot, every Sunday, mama take the ride. Look forward for see her, only time I smile. Chicken and rice and peas with some salad on the side. A brave face, but you're terrified. Mama, me if you see her tonight. When I meet God's a pain inside. Oh, my son in my guan, tell him mother say fi calm and please make you bring him by. Me I look pan 15 to 25. Jah know that was a poor choice. Little words don't mean much, but true me a clutch, so me clap him just because of pride. Dear mama, Jah know me miss you, dear mama. Look how hard you to try. As I shed these lonely tears, can't fight these lonely tears. Dear mama, can't wait for hug your mama. Inna me heart, me a cry. As I shed these lonely tears, can't fight these lonely tears.
Dear mama, the words that is being echoed right through our Jamaican prisons by many of the young youths who did not listen to the wise words of their mothers. So this morning, my peeps, we're gonna kick it off over there in the troubled, war-torn, crime-riddled St. Catherine South Police Division. We're gonna focus on what is happening in 31 Johns Road. Yeah, man. Whole heap of things are going another place there over the years, where we have seen an internal gang war between warring factions, both aligned to the notorious one-other gangs. Yeah, man. We are talking about the two notorious one-other gangs who has been at loggerheads over the years. So we are talking about the war between one-other top dan, Wassy, and a next top-tier criminal element known as Mark. Both are presently behind bars. We are talking about the unruly gang versus the wildlife gang big war that has caused the lives of many, to include the fathers of both Wassy and Mark. Now we are going to focus more so on Wassy and Theme gang in the morning here. Wassy, whose correct name is Damian Davis, otherwise known as Wassy in the criminal underworld, and those who are close enough to him may know him as Spinball. And sad to say, many of our Jamaican youths want to see turn out a certain way. It's simply because they have a mother that are enablers. And Wassy's mother is also one of such. Yes, Vivian, we are talking about you. You have enabled your son and his criminal lifestyle, or should I say sons and their criminal lifestyle, like forever. And you wear that as a badge of honor, thinking that because your sons are dons in the community, you can just pretty much go around and do anything and treat everybody any way you feel. But it's mothers like you that is destroying the very fabric of our Jamaican society. And this morning, I hope that you're listening, and I hope that you take the good from what On The Spot News Media is saying and try your endeavor best to change yourself, which will, I hope, help to shift the mindset of your sons who are heavily involved in criminal activities in 31 Johns Road and its environs. So now we're going to list a set of criminal elements. We're going to start off with the Dan himself, Wassy, presently on your screen. The Dan is presently behind bars, charged for a slew of criminal activities, which also include fatal knockings and clappings. So he's presently behind bars right now as we speak. Now let me highlight is second in command, the man who him left in charge, on the ground right now. We are talking about this criminal element here, presently on your screen identified as Sivva. Now Sivva is the man on the ground right now where people have here take talk from. But Sivva is not the most beloved top tier member of that gang run by Wassy. People are just pretending because you don't know them in a bad man place, so people just have to play the hypocrite like them like him, but Sivva definitely not sieve the thing right. So as the name of the gang would suggest, one order, there is literally no order in a 31 Johns Road. So right now, Sivva definitely not sieving. And it's just a matter of time before Sivva will be sieved out of the game totally. Many Jamaican older heads would have also stated, if you play stupid games, you're gonna win stupid prizes. And right now, as it relates to Sivva, and as you can see on your screen, heavily armed with a shotgun with a scope on it. So you know says no joke business on the Spot News Media talk about in the morning. Yeah. Sivva is a dangerous top tier knockis and clappis in a 31 Johns Road. Now on your screen is our next criminal element, but this criminal element is related to the Don. He's known as Boo, and Boo is the smaller brother, the younger brother of the Don, Wassy. And as you can see in this photograph of him, you can clearly see the strap we him have in him pocket. Yeah, man. So you know, say the whole of them youth here well strapped down. And I'm definitely giving you pictures for sure. Say them boy are some real criminal element, and whenever you hear police slap them way and people run out and a ball about how them innocent, remember I made this video. Boo also have been making the St. Catherine North Police wanted list over the years, and he is definitely a thorn in the skins of the regular members of Chan Public in 31 Johns Road. This brother go around in the community, him deal with people any way. In fact, he may even beat people some of the time, labeling them as informers and searching their phones, just driving fear in the residents of 31 Johns Road. And with all that said, sometimes I really wonder how these criminal elements continuously get support. But is it really support, or is it support out of fear? I will stick with the latter and say that it is the fear of these criminal elements why people come out and seemingly support them. Now the next criminal element that we are going to feature is this one present on your screen, identified as Temper. From you see this boy, you see killy in him face. And not too long ago, the police them go around there, for name him food and broke the plate, but as always, the residents them come down with a bag of excitement. And the same night, the criminal element known as Boo pick up the rake from Shirley out and take away himself quick and fast. So the police them drop some licks in this criminal element's skin. And you don't know, them give him a one blind because the crowd come down. So it's just a matter of time, before they go one by one. And also in recent times, the same criminal element identified as Boo was also involved in the fatal knockings and clappings of a youth known as 100. So when you remember, say 6 and 31 Johns Road was originally one. The Dan for upper 6 known as Duff will make it cross the border, and Wassy did good. But from the Dan for 6 lift up and they in America and Wassy they are jail, I just be a chaos in the place. So the criminal element known as Boo, in recent times, we get to understand, say, him also assaulted a shop owner in the place, beat up the man with a strap. Him and a criminal element known as Clutcher, and the one that I just featured, known as Temper, We're going to feature Clutcher further down the line. Yeah, man. So I just want you, the regular members of Chan Public, to go and take note of these criminal elements. Now back to Temper. Temper, who claims to be a dancehall artist, but most definitely not among the smartest. Definitely a big head bud, now have not a sense in him head. Because me always tell them, say, if you're artist, you're artist, and if you're a bad boy, you're a bad boy. But the both of them can't mix, because once you mix the two of them, it only gonna lead you to two places. So it's either 35 to life or 6 feet under. Yeah, man. And Temper, the band them not really too trust you neither, because use a little switchy. Remember, say when time the war just kick off in the place, You switch up and Wassy them. Yeah, man. And now you come back in the place and I go on like say, you are one under the one order system when you did switch when time the big war jump off. Now, for one of the most deadliest youth them pan the ground, this brother here presently on your screen identified as Pussman. Now this youth here are the top knockers and clappers in a 31 Johns Road. This brother here is always on the forefront and knock it and clap it. Always a rep for 31 Johns Road. One of the most feared, if not the most feared, knockers and clappers right now in our order. Yeah, man. And the funny thing still, he's not originally from the 31 Johns Road community, but him definitely take it as a theme home and definitely a rep for them 110%, might I add. So this youth here is most definitely not to be trusted, and if seen, please call the police right away, because this youth here is one of the thorns in the backs of you, the regular members of Chan Public, in and around the communities of 31 Johns Road. Whole heap of dopey that youth have to him name. Yeah, man. Who remember when him and Dan run their ramp with a strap, and the strap go off and Dan end up lose him 3 pints? You all were very furious at Pussman for that, because Dan I want a full original youth and Pussman to come from there. But because many of the knockers and clappers them not as brave and as bold as Pussman, the community take him back with open arms and put him back on the battlefield for go and fight the fight. Funo. Yeah, man. So as we all know, my peeps, all gangs depend on money for it to run effectively. And just like the one other gang, them collect them whole heap of extortion money, but they also have financiers internationally and locally. Now on your screen is 2 of the local financiers. To the left of the screen is a criminal element, a scammer known as Headline, and to the right of the screen, a criminal element and scammer known as Dino. They are definitely financiers to the one other gang faction that thrives in 31 Johns Road. And as always, my peeps, in every gang, you always have a Krasmite. And this Krasmite presently on your screen is the sister of the top tier criminal element known as Boo. She's known as Michaelia. So the night when time Boo run from the police them and the strap drop from Boo, as she pick up the strap and make sure say the man them get it back. She's also pretty much like the Dan's mother. She go around, she deal with people any way because she's the sister of Boo, who's a top tier member of the gang that operates out of 31 Johns Road. This next criminal element here presently on your screen is basically a driver who drive them all around the place. If you go collect them little extortion money and I don't know, bring them upon any little movements where them want to go upon. No, one thing on the Spot News Media is not for sure where he is concerned. If he's actually doing it willingly or he's doing it out of fear of the gang members. Because sometimes as a man will have a car in the community, you know, and the man them come and say, yo, drop with us, so drop with this. So them not really give you a choice. We say, no, you have to just jump in your car and bring them to point A, point B, and point C without them even compensating you for buy back some gas, put in your car. So I'm not going to label him totally as a member of the gang because he may be doing it because of fear. So Alex, if you do it out of fear, in fact, we're not going to even show Alex picture. Not just yet. I'm going to take it back down. So you won't see Alex picture when you're watching the vlog. Like I give Alex the benefit of the doubt. Say, he might do it out of fear and not because he's actually an active member of the gang. So we're going to do some more digging by you and Alex to figure out if you're an actual member and a driver who is being paid by the system to carry the criminal elements them go around. So this next criminal element, you know, presently on your screen identified as Ian. He's Wassy's next brother. So Wassy have two brothers who are smaller than him. Inna the thing too. So that just goes to show the type of mother that woman is. Poor may I tell you. The thing rough. Now, Ian, Wassy's brother, is a little taker. He's always spotted in the Westmore Gardens community of John's Road. He go through the community and pray on the innocent, mostly females. Take with them little handbag, take with them money, take with them phone type of setting. So that him definitely get himself involved in many ways to make female little money outside of the little extortion money we come in, where them only get a little pinch because majority of that go to the Dan Wassy. Now on your screen is another criminal element known as Parker. He's also a founder of the criminal organization operating out of 31 John's Road. So this next criminal element here, my peeps, he's also a scammer, but not only a scammer, he's also a knockis and clappis in the criminal organization. He has since been identified as Pang. So in recent times, him almost can up him own a woman when he had a Mach 11 in his hand and the Mach 11 went off, almost can her up. So him scam and him also a knock it and clap it. Him definitely par with Parker, Headline, Alex, and others in the streets. Now this next criminal element are presently on your screen, and as you can clearly see in his waistband is a brown Glock pistol with an extended clip that fits up to 32 rounds of ammunition. So you know say it's not no joke business that. A chip Glock, him says straight. Yeah man. He has since been identified as Brown Man. This brother par with Sivva and Boo straight. You don't see one without the other. Yeah man. Now this next criminal element here presently on your screen is known as Biggs. Now Biggs is the brother of Pussman. And as you can clearly see in Biggs' hand is an M16 rifle. Yeah man. So you know say them youths here deal with the situation at the streets. Grimy. This next criminal element here with him pants, they all the way down there so. Boy, I don't know how them do it though. Sometimes I really have to wonder how some of the females attracted to them type of old fat here. Yeah man. Now this is the criminal element that I spoke about earlier in the vlog known as Clutcher. This criminal element here always go up on the robbery them with Wassy, little brother known as Ian. So both of them can be seen more time over Westmore Garden scheme in a Spanish town, St. Catherine. So whilst the two Dans, Mark and Wassy presently on your screen are behind bars, basically safe from all harm, You, dear Nakis and Clappis, the outer road that put fool yourself in harm's way, and in which many of you have also passed. Many also are behind bars, singing and saying the same sentiments of the song played, known as Dear Mama. Now, is it all worth it? Una fight over them two money where is alive and well, have them money for them family is taken care of, but uno broke and hungry and all uno have some long strap in a phone hand. And a phone mother have you stress out if you go find money for bury someone uno, or for find lawyer for basically defend someone uno in the court of law, even though the system may help, but some who is not top tier in the thing, uno just get left along the wayside, just like that. So youths and youths, for 2025, may I beg you, think before uno act. Some of uno, it's not too late for save uno from uno self. We know say some of uno too far gone. Some of uno irredeemable. Uno not coming like digital pines at all. Can't come back. But for those who is still young, for those who is still not too far gone, the parents them, the well-wishers, the friends, the families around them, steer them from the path of destruction, because that path that they're going down will also affect you. Yeah, man. So, Sivva, remember, you need to go clean out Wassy, hag pen. Yeah, man. Because soon and very soon, if you not change your dirty lifestyle, your time will also come to an end. Yeah, man. So anyway, my peeps, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah, man.